Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to withdraw X Empire tokens from Bybit. Firstly, open the Bybit website and log into your account. Ensure your account is secured with a 2FA to protect against unauthorized access. Click on Assets in the top right corner of the home page and from the drop-down menu select Spot. This is the account type for withdrawals. Just find the X Empire in your asset list and click Withdraw next to it. Now, since X Empire tokens might not be withdrawable to an external wallet, convert them to a USDT first, then withdrawn. Once the conversion is complete, you can proceed with withdrawing USDT. Just enter the withdrawal details such as the TRC address, input the amount, and complete the verification process. Then Bybit will process the request. Withdrawals usually take 5 minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain congestion. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.